Managing the apps on your Android device becomes much easier when you have the right app manager. Whether you want to organize installed apps, backup APK files, monitor permissions, or optimize your device's performance, a good app manager can save both time and storage space. In this video, we'll explore some of the best app manager apps for Android that offer powerful management tools, useful features, and an easy-to-use interface. Let's get started. Inure App Manager. Inure App Manager is a powerful Android application management tool designed for users who want complete control over the apps installed on their devices. Featuring a modern material design interface, the app provides detailed information about installed applications, including permissions, activities, services, storage usage, and system components. It is especially popular among Android enthusiasts who want to better understand and manage their devices. The app offers advanced features such as app backup, APK extraction, permission analysis, storage management, and detailed hardware and software information. Users can also inspect application components, monitor app behavior, and organize installed apps more efficiently. Despite its advanced capabilities, the interface remains clean and easy to navigate, making powerful management tools accessible to a wide range of users. Inure App Manager receives regular updates that improve compatibility, stability, and feature availability across modern Android devices. With its comprehensive app management tools, detailed system insights, and elegant interface, it is one of the best app manager apps available for Android. App Manager Android. App Manager Android is a practical application management tool that helps users organize, monitor, and manage installed apps with ease. The app provides detailed information about each application, allowing users to quickly view storage usage, installation details, permissions, version numbers, and other important system information. Its straightforward interface makes daily app management simple for both beginners and experienced Android users. The application includes useful features such as batch uninstall, APK sharing, app backup, storage analysis, and application sorting by size, name, or installation date. Users can also quickly identify unused applications, helping free up valuable storage space and improve device organization. These management tools make maintaining an efficient Android device much more convenient. App Manager Android is optimized for fast performance while remaining lightweight on system resources. Regular updates improve compatibility with newer Android versions and introduce additional management features, making it a reliable choice for users who want better control over their installed applications. AppDash App Manager. AppDash App Manager is a feature-rich Android application that focuses on helping users organize, analyze, and manage their installed apps efficiently. The app provides detailed insights into application usage, update history, installation dates, storage consumption, and permission information through a modern and well-designed interface. It is particularly useful for users who frequently install and test new applications. The app includes advanced management features such as batch operations, APK exporting, app backup, update tracking, and detailed filtering options. Users can sort applications by category, installation date, size, or usage frequency, making it easier to identify apps that consume excessive storage or are rarely used. These tools help simplify overall device maintenance and organization. AppDash App Manager is regularly updated with new features, improved performance, and expanded compatibility for modern Android devices. Its combination of detailed application analytics, efficient management tools, and elegant design makes it one of the best app manager apps for Android. AutoStart App Manager. AutoStart App Manager is a specialized Android utility designed to help users control which applications automatically launch when the device starts. By managing startup applications, users can reduce unnecessary background activity, improve boot times, and optimize overall system performance. The app features a simple interface that makes startup management accessible without requiring advanced technical knowledge. In addition to startup control, the app allows users to monitor running applications, identify background processes, and manage application behavior more effectively. This helps reduce memory usage and battery consumption by limiting apps that automatically run without user interaction. The app is particularly useful for keeping Android devices running smoothly over time. AutoStart App Manager is optimized for reliable performance and broad Android compatibility. Regular updates improve startup management capabilities, enhance stability, and support newer Android versions. With its focus on performance optimization and startup control, it is an excellent app management solution for Android users. App Manager for Android. App Manager for Android is a comprehensive Android utility that helps users efficiently organize and manage installed applications from a single interface. The app provides detailed information about installed apps, including version details, storage usage, permissions, installation dates, and application sizes. Its intuitive design allows users to quickly access important management tools without navigating multiple system menus. The application offers useful features such as app backup, APK extraction, batch uninstall, application sharing, storage monitoring, and sorting options that make managing large app collections much easier. Users can also identify applications that consume excessive storage or are no longer needed, helping maintain better device performance and available storage space. App Manager for Android is lightweight, responsive, and regularly updated to improve compatibility with the latest Android releases. Its combination of detailed application information, flexible management tools, and easy-to-use interface makes it one of the best App Manager apps for Android users who want complete control over their installed applications. Those are our picks for the best App Manager apps for Android. Each app offers useful tools to help you organize, manage, and monitor your installed applications more efficiently while improving your overall Android experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android app recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.